Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. The steam cabinets. This is the gas version. And let me give you the overall sizes first. Entire unit is wide, about like a 26.5 inches. And the overall height is about like a 63 inches tall. And the depth of the units, they include a back exhaust. It's about like a 2 feet deep, 24 inches. So as we can see, the units, this front, they have a controllers at the bottoms. And this is a small window for you to always the burner status for the inner side. And the units all made of stainless steel, include the strong handlebars. It's also a lock. And we can just pull it up and open it. When we open this one, we can see they have a 12 pantries inside. And let me give the dimension for these pantries. It's pan about like a 23.5 inches wide and 50.5 inches in the length. For this tray, about like a 2 inches deep. So all these trays is fully removable, and we can take a look closer to see the burner pan at the inner side. So when we remove these pantries, we can see the units at the bottom have a big place, and this is a heating part, and also having flow the bowl. This one can level the waters to making sure you have a good amount of the water to steam the food. And all the inner sides made by stainless steels. We can also turn around to see the behind. For the units, we can see they have two big exhausts right here, and this is for the ventilators for the air. And also we do having the water jet at the bottoms. And for this diameters, it's about like a 3 4 inches. And this one's 2. And that's what will be the details information they're showing you and products names. And this is what we all the information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.